Every heartbeat is a gift from Allah. It is a reminder that your story is still being written. As long as you are alive, the door to goodness remains open. Many people spend their lives waiting for the perfect moment to change. They say they will pray more tomorrow. They will read the Quran next week. They will repent when life becomes less busy. But tomorrow is never guaranteed. The greatest illusion is believing that we have unlimited time. Every day that passes is one day closer to meeting Allah. The wise believer does not fear this reality. Instead, he prepares for it. Preparation does not begin with grand achievements. It begins with sincere intentions. A heart that wants to please Allah. A tongue that remembers Him. Hands that help others. Eyes that lower their gaze. Feet that walk toward the mosque. These simple actions slowly build a life filled with blessings. The world celebrates people who become famous. Allah loves people who become sincere. Many of the greatest believers were unknown to the world, yet they were known by the Lord of the worlds. Their prayers were sincere. Their charity was hidden. Their patience was beautiful. Their hearts were attached to Allah. When nobody was watching, they still chose what pleased their Creator. That is true faith. Your private worship says more about you than your public image. Anyone can appear righteous in front of people, but only sincere believers remain obedient when they are completely alone. Never think that Allah overlooks your hidden efforts. Every tear shed during tahajjud is known to Him. Every quiet act of charity is recorded. Every time you forgive someone for His sake, He sees it. Sometimes the greatest victories happen inside the heart. Choosing patience instead of anger. Choosing forgiveness instead of revenge. Choosing gratitude instead of complaints. Choosing trust instead of fear. These victories may never appear in the news, but they are celebrated by the angels. Life will continue to test every believer. No one is exempt. Even the prophets faced hardship. What made them extraordinary was not the absence of trials. It was the strength of their faith during those trials. When difficulties arrive, remember that Allah is never distant. He is closer than you can imagine. Speak to Him often. Ask Him for guidance. Ask Him for strength. Ask Him for forgiveness. There is no problem too great for Allah. No heart too broken. No sin too large. No future beyond His control. The believer walks through life with hope in one hand and fear of Allah in the other. Hope keeps him moving forward. Fear keeps him humble. Together they protect the heart from arrogance and despair. One day this temporary world will disappear. Its noise will end. Its distractions will fade away. Only our deeds will remain. On that day, no one will wish they had earned more money. No one will wish they had spent more time chasing status. People will wish they had prayed more, remembered Allah more, read the Quran more, helped more people, loved Allah more. So begin before it is too late. Do not wait for a perfect time. The perfect time is now. One sincere step toward Allah today can become the beginning of an eternity filled with His mercy.